Hi guys, so this engine was given to me some time ago. I did put it onto YouTube. I have a little problem now. I broke this one, I think it's this one. Let's have a look. One that's cracked. Yeah, this is the one that cracked. So this one's broke and I'm going to have to replace it, and I didn't realize that they gave me spare ones, so I'm lucky me. So I'm going to just replace it. Not sure how it goes, but here we go. Not sure how this comes up, but I think it might be just pushed on. So if I pull it off, I'm going to wear some gloves. Yeah, it looks like it was just pushed on place. But it's dangerous because it's just pure glass here. There you go. Look at that beautiful soft movement. Easy movement there. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this glass. And that's it, guys. So the moral of the story is look before you leap. So if I had looked at that before, hang on, I think I got that upside down. Have I? Yeah, I think I got that upside down because that screw is at the bottom on this one. So I'm just going to spin this round. There you go, guys. I've turned this piston around. Should be all right now in theory. Next step is to try it. Guys, this simple fix is not simple because this is loose, it's coming back and forward, so I'm going to have to kind of tighten it somehow. I don't know how. I'm going to stop this now and tighten this somehow because this is coming back over there. Well guys, I ordered these before and I'm just wondering if I got any that will actually fit that, because this is very, very loose, as you can see. See that? How loose it is, right? It probably would work, I'm not sure, but it was coming away, so I don't want to take a chance on that. And I'm not sure if it will be strong enough to go on this thing. Anyway, let me try and put it on and I'll get back to you. Okay, so while I've tried to put these on, didn't work. I really haven't got a proper size for that. So I thought of putting electrical tape around it just to tighten a little bit. It's a little bit tight, it's not 100% tight now, but I'm going to try it now. I'm going to put it on, and when it's working I'll video again. And there she blows. That seems to work. Just the electrical tape down there. Kind of hold it on. Oh dear, it stopped so quickly. We know it's working, right? Okay, so what I've done is I've put some oil around places there, and I've turned this up a bit so that it's more higher in flame and gets hot quickly. Now I understand that this could be a problem still because air could be getting in and out. The only other thing I can do is try and see if I can buy new ones, new ones these, and then leave it there. So I'll get back to you once this is running. So it certainly ran quicker with the heat on high there, guys. So I think I'm quite happy with that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and any advice is appreciated. Thank you very much. We have the generator working fine.